Hey everyone, welcome back. So, what do I have here? What do I have here? This is a junk journal that I started working on about 4 years ago, I guess. Anyhow, it's heavy, it's massive, and so far there are 5 signatures thrown in there. I have more signatures to put in. Look at that. I made it so it's like a trifold, so that it'll expand, and hopefully I'll have enough room. If not, I'll have to put an extension on here. Anyhow, so the cover. This was my drop paper that I used to have on my table, and it's the base of it is from, this is what I use. This is craft paper. And I used to use it as I used to cut the slides. I used to put a piece down on my table while I was crafting, and as you can see, there's a paint, different colored paint. There's I stamped on it. I put washi tape, I put duct tape, and that's what my cover is, and this is before I open it. Yeah, everything's gonna fall out. I have more signatures I want to create and put in here, so I don't know if I'm going to use all of this, but we'll see. Anyhow, this is the inside. This is the inside cover, as you can see. And this is the back. That's the back. Anyway, so this is a junk journal. Now, what's in here is, let me just make some more room for myself. Put this over here for now. I hope it doesn't fall. Anyhow, okay. So, like I said, there's 5 signatures in here so far. Now, junk mail. It's junk mail. There's packaging. There's maybe a couple of sheets. I'm not sure how many exactly. From a Smash book that I took apart. Anyhow, so like this is a chip bag, paper bags. This is an envelope, more paper bags of some type. Oh, I just did a little bit of painting on there. Sugar bag, paper bag, lunch bags. Another sugar bag. That's the back. That's one signature. This is junk mail. This is from a menu I got in the mail that I made a pocket out of. This is also more junk mail. Those like cards that you get in a magazine. This is from this is calendar. This menu. So envelopes, more menu, junk mail, envelopes. This is paper I tried to make, and I forget what I used. I think I just layered wax paper, a few layers of wax paper, and some I don't know, colors I found there. Oh, some paint. So that's the center of the one signature. This is junk mail. menu, an envelope, the other part of the menu. Yeah, that was from, like I said, that was from a calendar. The other back part of it, yeah, back part of that, pull out, and a menu. There you go. Junk mail. Lots and lots of more junk mail. Oh, okay, music paper that I just added some paint to. Another menu. That's the other part of the calendar. More junk mail. This is the inside of like a cracker box or a cereal box. Yeah, this is from the Smash book. Oh, yeah. There you go. Calendar. So you get the gist of it. So this is really like junk advertising. There you go. This is a piece of parchment paper. I think I use as a drop cloth. Parchment paper or wax paper. No, it's parchment paper. Yeah, I use it as a drop cloth also. There, calendar. Junk mail, junk mail, junk mail, junk mail. So, this. Yeah. Okay, so what I want to do is, I want you guys to, in the comments, come up with a name for this monstrosity. Now, it could be a person's name, it could be some sort of name out of a dictionary, whatever, a word, like I said, monstrosity, whatever, and just write down in the comments what you think I should call this. Give it some sort of name. I'll be working on it periodically on I'll do a video and work on this. I'm also going to add more, like I said, I'm going to add more signatures. How many more signatures? I don't know. This is from a Korean newspaper or Japanese, I don't know what language. Anyhow, there you go. Yeah, so come up with a name. Come up with something that I can name this huge, humongous thing. Creature. So that's what I've got so far in there. Anyhow, yeah. I will give you guys until, let me see. Today is September 30th, last day of September. I'll give you until Sunday, October 13th, where I'm going to put everybody's submissions into a hat with your name beside it, and I'm going to draw. I'm going to shake it up, and I'm going to draw a winner. See what we're going to call this thing. This huge, humongous. Anyhow, what does it measure? It measures for right now, until I get other things, it measures as 8 3/4 inches by 12 inches. Yeah. Okay. So, like I said, in the comments below, submit whatever name you want. Whatever name you decide you come up with, okay? I will, like I said, on October 13th, I'm going to draw a name, and the person who comes up with the name whoever I draw, I will put together a 25-piece pack of ephemera. Now, what do I mean by that is it'll be like game cards, playing cards, game pieces, pages from papers, from books, book pages, music papers, index cards. Anyhow, you get the gist of it. So, like I said, you have until October 13th, and that's the day that I'm going to do a draw and see who comes up with the best name to call this beautiful piece of monstrosity. So, that's it. So, please share, like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. And like I said, leave your submission in the comments below on this video. Anyhow, and you've got until, like I said, October 13th, and I will be drawing a name. So that's it, guys. Good luck. Have fun with this. And I'll see you guys later. Ciao.